What do you wear while driving Uber and Lyft? We asked you. Here's your feedback. Hey everyone, Chris here for the Rideshare Guy, and today let's talk about something that, well, people have been trying to discuss and figure out for a long time. What do you wear while driving Uber and Lyft? And is there a difference between what you wear and the amount of tips you might make or the ratings you get? We asked you on Facebook, and we're going to pull some of the feedback from that right now. So we asked you on our Facebook page, what do you wear while driving? Do you dress up, wear normal clothes, or PJs while driving? Have you experimented in dressing different when driving to see if you get more tips or better ratings? All right, and with Facebook, there were plenty of good comments and, well, let's face it, a few funny ones that, well, won't make the cut on the feedback video today, but still pretty funny nonetheless. So if you want to check that out, make sure you check the description below for a link to our Facebook page. Follow us there, and you might see your comments in a future video. All right, so Tim May says t-shirt and shorts. Chuck Taylor says comfortable but nice jeans and usually one of my Deadpool or similar playful t-shirts. Most of the customers get a kick out of the Deadpool stuff. Also have a pop bobblehead and small stuffed figure in the car. Bill says always a button-down collar shirt, long or short sleeves, decent pants, no holes. Rob says dressy casual, a little more dressy than I normally would. I try to look and act professional. Rick says t-shirt, sweatpants, and jogger pouch for wallet and keys. Very comfortable for multiple hours in the car. Vita wrote, comfort is key. However, I don't wear PJs. I wouldn't want a driver delivering my food without clothes on. Regina, you're a funny one. I like this comment, so I'm going to say it. You said clothes. The passenger complains if you don't. But whatever I want, skirt, blue jeans, goth pants, t-shirt, tank top, dress shirt. I have fashion jeans with intentional holes. Tracy says yoga pants, sports bra, and a long sleeve shirt. Gotta be cozy. Carl says business casual and dress shoes. Allison says my uniform, all black clothes. Brenda then says casual and nice. So as you can see, when it comes to what people wear, it's pretty much all over the board. Some people will dress up nicer. Some people will dress up pretty much as what they're wearing or be comfortable and cozy. It just depends on how you are and how you want to feel. For me personally, I pretty much usually just wear what I'm wearing at the time I decide to go out. I don't dress up or change what I'm wearing based on trying to go out and drive. Most of the time I'm driving at night, so I don't really see people and they don't really see me. And even if I get out of the car, again, it's more comfortable. So in the wintertime, usually just a t-shirt with a hoodie or a jacket and a pair of jeans. And then in the summer, it's usually just a t-shirt and shorts. But again, that's me. Now, what do you wear when you're out driving? And have you tried experimenting, either dressing up nicer or wearing comfortable clothing and seeing if there's been a difference in tips or in ratings? If you have noticed that, comment below. And again, make sure to follow us on our Facebook page as we do post things on there that could make future videos and use your feedback. And if you haven't already, make sure you subscribe and ring the bell for notifications so you'll be notified on new videos and we can answer the questions. Should you dress up or should you be comfy? Or is it up to you? All right, everyone, drive safe.